Hello coloring friends! So on this not that warm winter day we are going for some time to tropics because our last week's challenge Fun and Color we've got prompt parrots and I've got so many bright colorful illustrations, actually 76 with these lovely birds that it really brightens one's day to look at all those colorful illustrations. Most pictures are like parrots on their own, in nature, maybe in some interesting composition, or even just parrot's portrait with no background even. We've got pictures from Circle of Life, illustrations by Millie Marotta, Joanna Basford. Then second part of illustrations are connected with pirates. We've got illustrations by Alina Lazareva, lovely pirate girl with a parrot. Hannah Carlson, I forgot that she has pirate girl in her Spirit Animals book. Pirate from Fantasia by Nick Filbert, and One Pirate Girl by Anastasia Koldareva. And then third, not that many, but a few illustrations, pirates with girls, like by Grazia Salva, or like this illustration from Blackbird Song by Anastasia Koldareva, which I did. I believe there are two more same illustration in among submitted works. So I decided to color this picture because I had only one completed page from this book, and so I thought that's my chance, and my chance to color a really big, large-sized, realistic looking parrot. There was no problem with parrot himself, you know. I colored him rather quickly and easily. I looked at the reference and look at this beauty, all these feathers, so colorful, different colors in one bird. And the girl, I wanted she to be very dark skinned, and I started coloring her with light fast because they're really rich, nice, dark colors in that set. But I forgot when I was working on this illustration, and I used light fast, and it was not a good idea because they didn't work nicely on this paper, but I forgot about that. I started working on her skin. During layering process, at first everything was fine, but when I started darken the skin, and then I remember, because I noticed that especially here you can see they don't give smooth effect. There's some dots, some patches, I don't know, they don't layer smoothly, and nothing I could do about that. You can't fix that. I tried to fix little bit with polychromos after that, but as the paper is not toothy, there was not much I could do. It looks better than it was at first, but still not 100% I'm satisfied because skin doesn't look smooth. Other than that, I'm quite happy how the girl turned out. Beautiful color and all different shades of her skin. I really like it. So parrots and all the rest, her jewelry, headpiece, I colored with polychromos. Jewelry pieces took quite some time because there are a lot of them. They're small and every part needs shading. There's some cowrie shells here. so it took time. And then background, I wanted it dark green, and to do it with pencil only would take forever and would eat up a lot of pencil. So I used marker, Sharpie marker. So I still can smell this marker, and over it I used Winsor & Newton pencil in lush green. So I like this rich dark green now, and nice contrast with the girl and the parrot. So on the whole I'm quite happy with this picture, and I try not to look too carefully, not to notice all those small dots and patches on her skin. So that was my illustration, and now let's dive into tropics all together for a couple of minutes and enjoy all this brightness and colorfulness of the works that was sent for this prompt. Let's go. friends, that was our very colorful, very tropical slideshow for the prompt parrot. Thank you everyone who took part in this challenge. And now, as always, let's draw another prompt for the upcoming week. As always, I'm curious what that's going to be. Let's find out. This is interesting, friends. As if to continue our tropical theme with parrots, we've got prompt monkeys or apes. Though monkeys are not that bright and colorful as parrots, but still they live in same surroundings, jungles. They are tropical animals, I would say. They may look maybe a bit boring, not as interesting and inspiring as parrots, but I think still we can find quite interesting illustrations with these animals. The first thing that I can think about is books by Kirby Rosanes, Walls Within Walls, I believe, and Fragile World. There are interesting pictures. What else? Joanna Besford, I believe, Magical Jungle. You can find some monkeys there. Maybe some pirates again, as in Pirates of the Caribbean. Barbossa, he had this funny monkey, so maybe you can find some monkeys with pirates. Some animals coloring books, I believe, but I can't remember anything else at the moment, so I'm off now to look through my collection in hope to find some interesting monkey pictures, and see you in a moment. So I'm back, friends, with some illustrations for the new prompt, monkey or apes. I did find some illustrations, but to be honest, most of them are by Kirby Rosanes, and only a few couple other artists that I was able to find pictures with this animal. But first of all, I tried to remember whether I have ever colored any monkey, and I couldn't remember, so I believe I haven't colored. There is one illustration from this Chinese coloring book, Chinese opera, and there is this character, Monkey King from Chinese mythology. But of course we all agree that it's not a real monkey, but an actor wearing a mask and pretending to be a monkey. So I can't count this one actually. So this is going to be the first time that I would color some monkey. Thanks to Kirby, we have quite a choice of interesting illustrations. Kirby can depict any animal in very beautiful and interesting, unusual way. Just in his book Fragile World, there are 4 illustrations with monkeys or apes, so quite a choice. This is the first one. Interesting. Not one part is realistic. On the other hand, we have some landscape on his back. Very interesting. And this one is a very realistic picture, illustrations with a lot of monkeys. Then we have this kind of portrait. Have seen many completed versions of this picture, very bright and colorful. And the last one is this one. So, and only in one book we have such a choice. Then Mythic World, again very nice, interesting illustration from mythology. Look at this monkey, at his face. I really love this one. Then Worlds Within Worlds, and yeah, monkey from the cover of this one. Again, very interesting picture, not common, very unique. Then something more simple, Magical Jungle, Joanna Basford. There are a few illustrations as well in this book. I like this one. Look at these monkeys. They're very cute, cartoonish style. So if you don't want to color something realistic, big in size, this is a nice picture. And there's another one. Like this double spread, but monkeys we have on this part. Yeah. Then this Disc World by Paul Kidby, and we have such cheesy smile and this portrait of a monkey. Not much to color here. Goods and Beasts by Adam Fisher, and again this Chinese Monkey King in smaller size here. Magic Gate Tarot Cards by Vera Petruk. Surprisingly, you don't expect to see monkey in tarot card desk, but here we have Hanged Man, and we have monkey here. What I don't like about this book, this frame. Actually, the one whip that I haven't finished yet before New Year, it's from this book. Still hanging. And 3 printed pages, which I find interesting. Christine Karen, Pirate Girl, and instead of parrot, we see a monkey here, very cute. Another pirate, this one by Lika Landell, Kitty Parrot, yeah, a pirate, and we have parrot here and a monkey as well. Parrot, pirate, get confused. And this one, very cute, beautiful illustration by Daria Chakarasoi. It's called My Big Friend. I really love this one too. Very warm illustration. So that was my choice. There are some realistic pictures, there are some more simple, like from Joanna Basford. All very interesting, and I hope those who want to color something for this prompt, you will be able to find something suitable in your collection. Always interesting to see pictures from the book that I don't have, that I don't know. So I hope to see some such kind of books. And that was all for today. I'll be waiting for your works. See you next time. Bye.